Tonight, the Department of Transportation or DOTR reports that the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board has successfully recorded sufficient transport cooperatives per route in Metro Manila. This suggests that the number of public utility jeepneys and modern jeeps aligns with commuter demand. Assuring the public, DOTR asserts that there won't be a transport crisis if the remaining public utility jeeps fail to secure franchise consolidation by the looming December 31 deadline.
Nakita na po ng LTFRB na ang mga major routes po natin ay meron ng mga consolidated operators at handa rin po ang ating LTFRB na mag-issue ng special permits at mag-deploy ng mga additional na mga units doon po sa mga lugar na kung sakali man po ay kukulangin ng serbisyo.
However, transport groups such as Piston and Kilusang Mayo Uno challenge this perspective, foreseeing a potential crisis with commuters grappling to secure public transportation starting January 1. Modi Floranda and Jerome Adonis share a similar sentiment, expressing concerns about the added burden on commuters who may resort to higher fare alternative modes of transportation.
Na walang masasakyan yung ating mga mamamayan, hindi lamang ang maepektuhan nito ay yung kabuhayan ng mga driver, ng mga operator, kundi mismo yung ating economic ay maepektuhan kapag wala tayong public transport.
Meron pong mahigit 41,000 na traditional jeep. More than 30,000 ang hindi pa nagko-consolidate. Ang ibig sabihin, lahat yan kolorong by January. And therefore, ang magiging problema, walang masasakyan yung mga manggagawa na papasok sa trabaho at saka uuwi.
In response, Piston and Manibela announced plans for a transport strike from December 18 to 29, protesting against the franchise consolidation deadline.
Hindi matatapos ngayong araw, kundi magkakaroon muli ng mga paghahanda sa mga susunod na mga pagkilos. Sabi nga natin, hindi lang rally ang gagawin natin, kundi nagpe-prepare tayo sa isang mas malaki pa na transport strike.
Sa susunod na linggo, ang Piston at Manibela ay magtutuloy-tuloy sa Tigil Pasada, isang linggo hanggang magpasko o hanggang matapos na itong taon.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.